Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. So before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please press the bell icon to get more videos. Thank you. I am cooking today the most famous Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. So let's start now. Half kg chicken, add chicken, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, add 1 tablespoon salt, add some lemon, half tablespoon, mix nicely and keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add spices in it. Add cardamom, add Marathi moggu, black cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, pepper, add shahijeera, add bay leaves, add piece of nutmeg, add japati flour, add star anise, shahijeera, another shahijeera, add turmeric, half tablespoon, add garam masala, half tablespoon, add 2 tablespoon of chili powder, add saffron, add 2 tablespoon of curd, half cup curd, 1 tablespoon biryani powder. If you want extra masala, add 1 more tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon rose water, 2 tablespoon of ghee, add 2 chilies, half a cup fried onions, add coriander, half cup, and half cup mint, and add cooking oil, half cup cooking oil, mix nicely now. Check the taste. If you want salt and chili, you can add it. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon salt. After marinate, keep it in your fridge 45 minutes. Prepare the rice. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Add green chilli. Add bay leaf. Add black pepper. Add Marathi moggu. Add cardamom. Add cinnamon. Add 2 cloves. Add star anise. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add little mint, coriander, add little bit ginger garlic paste, add shahijeera, and that's it. Close the lid now. Boiling now. Now wash the rice. I'm taking here 4 glasses of rice. Add rice, basmati rice. Cook 50%. Rice is cooked 50%. Add rice now. Spread evenly. Add mint. Add coriander. Add fried onions. Add lemon. Add rose water 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Add food color. I'm adding red color, another one. This is optional, up to you. Close with foil. Now close the lid. I'm using plate here. Keep the weight on the top. Now keep the pan. Keep it like this. It's in high flame. 15 minutes in medium flame. Another 15 minutes is low flame. Cook 45 minutes and turn it off the flame. After 45 minutes, turn it off the flame. Leave it for 5 minutes. Wow, looks so delicious. I can't wait to take a bite now. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching.